Good morning students. In this module we will learn about sign of trigonometric functions, and the knowledge of this concept is very useful to us. See, these two lines divide the whole plane into four quadrants that you know. This angle is what? 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270 and this is 360. Clear? Now there are four quadrants: first quadrant, second, third and fourth. And you also know that there are six types of trigonometric functions: sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Now it is very essential to know that what is the behavior of these six trigonometric functions in these four quadrants, which symbol, which sign they possess. For this you have to remember one code, ASTC. This you may remember by decoding after school to college, or add sugar to coffee. Now ASTC. In first quadrant you will put A, in second S, in third T and in fourth C. ASTC. Right? Now what is the meaning of this A? It means all trigonometric functions. So in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. In second S, S means sine and its reverse cosecant, they are positive, rest are negative. In third, T stands for tan and cot, they are positive, rest are negative. In fourth, C, C means cos and its reverse secant, they are positive, rest four are negative. So by the knowledge of ASTC you may remember that in first all are positive, but in rest only two are positive, rest four are negative. For example, one question is there, means how will you apply the knowledge of this concept? So there is one question: if cos x is minus 3 by 5 and x lies in third quadrant, then find the value of other 5 trigonometric functions. Cos x is what? Minus 3 by 5. And you have to find other 5 trigonometric functions. So you have to find sine, tan, secant, cosecant and secant. So what will you do? Firstly, you will draw a triangle. Cos x is 3 by 5. Now leave this minus symbol for the time being. What is cos x? 3 by 5. 3 by 5, it is b, it is h. Cos is what? B by h. So this is b, this is h. So firstly find out p. This is 4. Right? Now you have to write the rest 5 trigonometric ratios. Sin x. Sin x is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. It means it is 4 by 5. Clear? So tan x is perpendicular by base. It will be 4 by 3. Similarly, you may write cot x. It is what? Reciprocal, base by perpendicular, 3 by 4. Similarly cosecant and similarly secant. Now why this negative symbol is there? Because x is in third quadrant. So in third quadrant cosecant is negative, and so that is why we have put minus symbol before sign also. See this, minus symbol before sign also. It is minus 4 by 5. So at last don't forget to put the symbols. It is plus, it is minus and it is minus, because secant is also negative. And tomorrow we will study some important formulas. Clear? Thank you.